Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're sick and tired of hitting those frustrating usage limits or staring at super expensive monthly subscriptions just to use top-tier AI models, well, you are definitely in the right place. Today, we're going to break down a completely legitimate method to bypass those expensive paywalls. We are going to look at exactly how you can access the premium paid models of both Claude and ChatGPT absolutely free of charge. And yeah, you heard that right. We are looking at exactly 2 full years of premium AI access on the line today. That is 24 months of uninterrupted, top of the line artificial intelligence, literally right at your fingertips, and you won't spend a single dime. This isn't some quick trial or a temporary glitch either. It's a structural benefit that you can lock in if you just know exactly which digital levers to pull. So here is our roadmap. First up, the 2-year AI pass. Second, setting up Notion AI. Third, upgrading with GitHub verification. And finally, capabilities and crucial limitations. Let's get into it.
All right, part one, the 2-year AI pass.
Okay, so we're going to build our foundation here, which is the GitHub Student Developer Pack. This is basically your master key for this whole shebang. If you don't have this pack yet, just apply for it on GitHub using your student credentials. Once you're in, you need to make sure your key is actually valid. So log into your GitHub account, head to your settings, and click your benefits application. What you're looking for is to verify that it expires in almost exactly 2 years. Why is that so crucial? Well, because your Notion AI access is going to directly mirror that timeline. If your GitHub benefit is good for 2 years, your AI access stays active for 2 years. That means your chat history, your saved prompts, your workspaces, they are all safe and secure for the long haul. Moving on to part two, setting up Notion AI. Now that we know we've got our 2-year window locked in, it's time to actually open the door. We're going to set up our Notion AI account. Notion is basically going to be our hub, the interface where we actually get to play around with these premium Claude and ChatGPT models. Setup is pretty straightforward, but listen, precision is absolutely everything here. Just search for Notion AI, hit Get Notion Free. From there, pop in your email, grab the verification code they send your inbox, type in your name, and make sure you select the For Personal Life option to create your base workspace. You can also download the desktop app if you prefer a dedicated window for your AI work. But hold on, actually pay super close attention to the email and name you use right here. Because here is the absolute catch, the total necessity for symmetry. This is where, honestly, a lot of people trip up. Your Notion account email and your Notion profile name must identically match your GitHub account details. Think of it like a digital handshake. Later on, when Notion asks GitHub to verify your student status, if the names or emails are even slightly off, boom, you failed a verification trap and miss out on the upgrade. So seriously, double-check your GitHub profile right now and mirror those exact details directly into Notion. All right, part three, upgrading with GitHub verification. Okay, so our details perfectly match, and we've got the free Notion account securely set up. But now we got to inject it with that premium GitHub power. See, by default, the free version of Notion AI has incredibly strict usage limits. You will hit a brick wall super fast if you try to use it for heavy lifting. And you can't just upgrade from inside Notion to fix it. Instead, you have to go back to your GitHub Student Developer Pack dashboard, look for the Notion partner offer there, and click their specific redirected access link. It'll shoot you right back over to the Notion website. Once you're there, just scroll down until you spot your logged-in workspace name. And this is the magic moment. You need to find and click this exact button. Get verified with GitHub. By clicking this, you are officially authorizing Notion to peek at your GitHub account, see that glorious 2-year student pack, and permanently unlock your workspace. It's a real game changer. Right after you click that verification button, jump into your Notion account settings. Look under your plan details, and you should see a sweet little confirmation welcoming you to the Education Plus plan. And you know what the best part is? The Education Plus plan is functionally identical to Notion's standard paid Plus plan. No catch, no hidden downgrades. You literally just secured a premium AI workspace, fully funded and ready to go for the next 24 months. Which brings us to our final section, part 4, capabilities and crucial limitations. Now that you've unlocked the treasure chest, let's talk boundaries. Having premium Claude and ChatGPT baked right into Notion is phenomenal, but it's not a magic wand for absolutely every single task. This setup is fantastic for demanding research, writing detailed scripts, or cranking out a ton of content. The AI is just going to chew to all of that without breaking a sweat. But, and this is a big one, do not use this specific Notion setup for coding. It's just not optimized for an IDE-like workflow.
If heavy coding is your main goal, you are way better off using a dedicated IDE tool like Kiro or just biting the bullet on a paid ChatGPT business plan.
But honestly, aside from that one coding caveat, the sheer value you are getting here is insane. Just look at this lineup. You're getting access to the most sophisticated, paid Claude AI and ChatGPT models on the market. You've locked in 2 full years of uninterrupted access. All your chat and prompt history is securely saved right there in Notion, so no more losing those brilliant midnight brainstorming sessions, and the whole shebang is housed in a single perfectly organized workspace. No juggling a million tabs, no tracking multiple AI subscriptions. So, with the ultimate AI tool belt now fully verified and sitting right at your fingertips, I gotta ask, what massive, ambitious project are you gonna conquer first? You have 2 years, the best AI models on the planet, and a completely blank canvas. It is time to get building. Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer.